Good morning, OPOS Chef. We'll be doing the Maggi Alfredo. Maggi in a creamy sauce. Spinach Alfredo. So I'm going to chop up some spinach. You can do this Alfredo with any vegetable or even with a complete absence of vegetables. To make it healthy, we'll do it with spinach. Alfredo is basically a pasta in a creamy sauce. So let's see how to make that with the Maggi. One garlic clove. Italians love their garlic. It's the basic flavoring for almost all pastas. Crush and chop it up. I want to add lots of butter. This is around 2 tablespoons of butter. Ensure that it coats the bottom layer completely, else it might lead to spinach burning. Some garlic and the chopped spinach as one layer. Now we need to hydrate this pasta noodles. 1 cake of noodles, and hydration doesn't take too much of water, just takes around 30 ml. So look at the amount of water you are able to save. Mix in the masala. You can add more masalas if you like. This 60 ml of water, I'm going to add half that. That's all it takes, slightly more than half. So it should be around 40-45 ml of water. You need very less. 60 ml of water can hydrate 2 packs of noodles. That's it. Layer it on top as a single layer. Close and put on high for 2 whistles. So the cooking time should be around 3 to 4 minutes maximum. Then we are just going to mix in some cream. So the butter and the cream and the starch from noodles will emulsify into a nice white sauce. Let me get the plating ready before that. All we need to do is mix in some fresh cream once the noodles are cooked. Ultra simple recipe, no? So instead of spinach, you can use any vegetable you like. Mushroom, carrots, squash, they're all popular vegetables. Zucchini, sweet corn, baby corn, you can think of any of your favorite vegetable, you can use it as a bottom layer. Here the vegetable just serves one purpose, to provide a buffer layer to prevent the noodles from burning. If you layer the noodles directly at the bottom of the pot, then you might face burning, so you need a buffer layer. Vegetables are added as a buffer layer just to prevent the noodles burning. And of course to add some macronutrients and make it healthier. first whistle, I'll let it go for just one more whistle. That's it. Release the pressure. You can smell the intense smell of cooked spinach. Just mix in some cream. As much or as little as you like. Look at that. Spinach has been sauteed well. Mix it all up. And when you have your nice and creamy pasta, Maggi Alfredo, and you can add more cream if you like, or even cheese. Grated cheese would be a great addition to this. This would be a nice and rich dish. There you go. That is your spinach Maggi Alfredo, all done and dusted in less than 7 minutes from scratch.